everybody, this is Tasha with Prep For It. So after an initial kind of transplanting shock, the strawberries are doing a lot better. A couple of them still look kind of sad, but I think they're acclimating. But we're supposed to get some colder weather over the next couple of nights. So what I'm gonna do is I loaded up some hay in the back of the Ranger, and I'm going to cover this overnight, and then since the daytime's supposed to warm up significantly, I'll take the hay off during the day, and then I'll just put it back again in the evenings for the next, probably tonight, tomorrow night, and maybe the next night. And then I think we'll be okay after that. It looks like it's supposed to start warming up. So that's where we're at on that. So I watered those before I put some hay on them. And then I have I believe this is called aronia berry. So you can see it's a little bit shocked, but it is alive. I checked it. And then this one, I think this was the gooseberry. I can't remember. I have 4 berries. You can go back and check on the end of my last video where I said the garden's going in. I have this one. You can see the new growth on there. It's all spiky, so I think it's gonna like it here. And then right here, this is the other one. So we will see. I hope that they live. They wasn't crazy expensive, so if not, then that's okay. At least I tried, and I'll try again some more. I still have trash down here to pick up. It's been pretty cold the last few days. So I'm gonna get the hay on that, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I lightly spread it over and layer it like that. So I'm not trying to just like push real hard down on my plants, but I am trying to offer some added insulation and protection. I'm not saying I know this is gonna work, but this is the only thing I can think of to protect this. I'll probably put more tool there in the middle or on the side there. Since the wind's blowing from that direction, I'll probably put it right there. But it's the best I can think of. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll sure let y'all know if it worked. If not, I guess I'll go get some more strawberries and start again when it warms up a little bit. But yeah, I think it will work. There, I'm gonna do it kind of like that. And I think it'll work. Fingers crossed and prayers said. So I will let you know. But that is it for now. I will keep you updated. So I'll come back out tomorrow in the morning when it warms up a little bit. I'll take this off and then just put the hay over in there because I haven't planted anything in there yet, and just put my shovels on top of it. Let the strawberries get sun, do their thing, and then again about this time tomorrow night, just before dark, I'll come and cover it again. So anyway, as you guys can tell, it's a chilly day. It's overcast, and we didn't get much rain, but we did get a little bit, which was nice. I thank God for that. But yeah, I'm still holding off on planting my stuff here because my plants are so young and tender. I'm afraid that they would just die with this cold that's coming in. So anyway, well, thanks guys for watching. When I do start planting this stuff, I will be sure in video show you guys when it's in what it looks like. I'll probably come down here tomorrow or the next day, and I'll run a sprinkler on this just because it's drying out. We didn't get much rain, so I'm gonna run a sprinkler on that and get it good and moist before I start planting. Should be Thursday or Friday. Yay, I'm so excited to start getting my plants out here. Some of them are looking kind of poorly in the house because they need to be in the sun, not under these lights. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. I love you all. Guys, just remember, prep for it all. We'll see you next time. Bye.